Hi there, this is a video just to show you very quickly how to log into CPM. So what you're going to do is scroll down. This is that parent letter that was given to you on June 14th. You'll scroll down. You'll go to the Getting Started. You'll click here on CPM ebook setup. And luckily, when you click here, it brings you to this quick, easy intro on how to log in. So what you'll do is you don't have a CPM ebook yet. So number one, your teacher will give you a 5-character PIN number. If you are in 6th grade 1-year accelerated, your PIN number is right here. This is your code, 4G4AN. If you are in the 2-year accelerated, you'll scroll down and you actually have 2 codes. You will have to do this twice because you have 2 books. You have the 6th grade CPM book and you have the 7th grade CPM book. So you'll have to enter 4G4AN and you'll also need A3PAB. So again, you will do that twice. After, so you'll go here, you'll go to this, you'll click here. This will bring you to the login page. You'll go to the login sign here. You'll use your @MyPanthers email and I'm sorry, no you won't. You are going to click, you bypass this area and then you go to register. You just click register here because they don't recognize your email yet. You'll say you're a student, and then this is where you'll enter your PIN number that is on that parent letter that was sent to you. Right? And then you just go ahead. If it's your first time, you can sign in with your account already. Right? And then you're almost done. You'll fill in these parts that they ask you for, and except for you already have a Google account, so you can use your Google account that you already have through the @mypanthers.org. And then once you log in, like I said, you're going to have to click and agree, and you're all set.